Hello and welcome, guys. I have to apologise for not uploading in a while. I have been going through some stuff with the lockdown in the UK and COVID-19 and all the stress and anxiety that comes along with that has really been affecting me, and I just haven't been in the headspace or in any sort of environment where I feel like I actually wanted to sit down and film something and be creative and do all the editing and everything that goes along with it. So now I am finally in a place where I feel like I'm ready to charge forward with that and keep that going. So here we are today. Today I want to talk a little bit about obviously what's going on in the world with COVID-19. I want to talk about social distancing, and I want to talk about keeping yourself safe and just cleaning in general. So obviously the government in the UK and hopefully in other countries as well are putting out updates on what you need to be doing to keep yourself safe, your social distancing, lockdowns, stuff like that. So in the UK we are currently under lockdown, and we will be hopefully not for much longer because it's really driving me insane. So hopefully that's over soon and we can get back to normal. However, during our period in lockdown, I want to try and put out about 3 videos a week. So hopefully that goes forwards and I don't fall back into where I was before. Yeah. So social distancing is obviously very important at this time in the world. So please make sure you're staying at least 2 meters apart from anyone you pass on the street. Don't hang around in large groups. Try and keep your groups small and localized to only the people that you are living with at the moment. Please do not go and meet friends, do not go and meet family. You're putting them at risk, you're putting yourself at risk, and you're putting the lives of other people in danger. It's very important that this is stuck to and not spread about all over the place. Cleanliness, please make sure you're taking hand sanitizer with you. It's very important to keep your hands clean. It's very important to keep your face clean, very important to keep your clothes clean. So please make sure you are sanitizing everything when you get home. If you are going out for a walk, for exercise, please make sure that you're cleaning your hands regularly, and also clean your makeup brushes regularly too. Don't just think because you're the only one using them that leaving them sitting in a tub or in a drawer or on your desk or in a brush holder that is good enough, because it's not. The viruses and bacteria can still manage to get onto your brushes and fester and linger, and then you're putting those brushes on your face, which is then putting that virus or bacteria or or fungus or whatever on your face as well. And then if that takes root, you're getting an infection, like not only just for what's going on in the world right now, but for every day in general afterwards as well. Please make sure that you clean your makeup brushes and whatever your workspace is as well. Clean regularly. Don't just think, oh, it'll be fine because it's only me that's using it. It's not fine. Please make sure you clean. Obviously, being in lockdown and not being able to see friends, not being able to see family takes a toll on your mental health. I know, I've been there. Luckily, I'm with supportive people that will literally drag me out of any hole that I put myself in or manage to find myself somehow trapped in. So I want to take a couple of minutes out to just thank them and to tell them that I love them and thank you for doing all that you're doing for me. All of that being said, I do want to introduce a little bit of an idea for you for some upcoming videos. With the lockdown happening in the UK, my college has been suspended, so I don't have any classes. I'm not sure if I'm going to get to do the last assessment on the block. So because I have already done all of the planning for it, I don't want to just have all of those plans and all of those looks just go to waste. I actually want to do something with them, and I thought, why not do something here on YouTube with them? So I have 3 face charts. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. So I'm going to pick one of those face charts at random and then go through the step-by-steps and show you guys how to achieve those looks. I'm going to do 1 a week, so that's a couple of weeks of college plans for you guys, and that means that they're not going to waste, and that makes me feel a little bit better, because I hate when I do work and it just all goes in the trash, and yeah. So I'm just gonna pick out a random face chart right now, and we will see which one we get. So we have our 80s inspired look, which is a nice purple cut crease with a blue on the bottom with a purple lip. These looks are all based on things that Nikki Tutorials has done, or kind of inspired by her. She is the person that I chose to base my final unit on, so that's who all my research has been about, and I've had so much fun doing it, so much fun learning about Nikki's life and her journey, and it's just been the best experience ever. So I will be uploading that video on the 22nd of April, so stay tuned and I hope you enjoy it. Between now and then there will be some more educational videos being put up, so like smoky eyes, cut creases, things like that. We're going to do videos on them, but I hope you stay tuned and you enjoy what's coming up in the future. Bye guys.